Westia Autoworks is on 35th Avenue Southwest.
Stay with us through our monthly car tips video, and we'll be back to tell you more in a minute.
Whether you're sitting in your driveway or stranded on the roadside, having a car that won't start is a nerve-wracking experience. YourMechanic.com shares 3 common areas that can be investigated if this happens to you. The first area involves testing the battery and starter. To investigate a dead battery, first turn the key to the on position. Then turn on the car's headlights and check their brightness. If they are dim, then the vehicle may have a dead battery. It's time to get it jumped back to life or replaced. The second is the fuel and fuel pump. Sometimes the gas gauge shows more gas than you really have. Add a gallon of gas to the vehicle to see if it starts. That's the easiest way to check. The third possible problem is a problem with your spark plugs. Check by opening the hood and locate the spark plug wires. Use a spark plug socket and ratchet to remove one spark plug. If the white porcelain is cracked, or if the spark plug gap is too large, then the spark plug needs to be replaced. If you find any of these 3 are not the problem, then let us help get your vehicle back on the road. Come see us.
We'd like to invite you to make us your neighborhood auto repair facility. I'm Todd Ainsworth.
I'm Chris Christensen, the owners here at Westia Autoworks. Our AC certified auto technicians can service and repair nearly all makes and models of cars and trucks.
Stop by, say hi. We'll see you soon.